Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I've got Makartt's Life of a Rose kit. This is a nail extension gel kit, also known as polygel, and this is a set of 4 colours. I finally got my hands on it. As you can see, this kit includes 4 nail extension gels, a base coat, a top coat, a dual form kit with 12 sizes in 2 shapes, a dual-ended nail extension gel spatula and brush 2-in-1, as well as a nail file. There I was just reading through the instructions. I have used these poly gels before, and today I will only be swatching them, but I hope to do more with the dual forms in another video. Now that I've got all my gels in front of me, I'm finally ready to get swatching. As with all Makartt polygels, it comes with a nice little foil cap, just in order to make sure that the product is brand new. Everyone should come with it. And I am just taking the colour Wilted, which is a nice sort of plummy pink colour, I would describe it as, and that is my first swatch. Next up, I'm going for the reddest colour in this pack, which is Hip. Again, just removing the foil cover, and there it is, going to swatch. The third swatch that I'm doing is in the colour Bud, which is a sort of hot pink colour. Like with the others, I'm just removing the foil tab. And as you may have noticed, this kit does not come with slip solution, so I am just using isopropyl alcohol as my slip. And lastly, we're on to the final colour, which is Bloom, and that is a more baby pink colour. As you can see, I am struggling a little bit to get this one out. This was as the temperature in my room had dropped, which makes polygels slightly more solid. But you can easily combat this by warming it up a bit in your hands beforehand, or even putting it in a bit of warm water. The amazing thing about these gels is that they are cruelty free, as Makartt does not test its products on animals. If you are interested in purchasing this, I do have a discount code. It is LuxPressOns _by_BL, and you can get 15% off all of your Makartt order. Link in bio. And here they are, all 4 swatches: Wilted, Hip, Bud and Blossom. Thank you again for watching. Bye.